Games with simple graphics and short play sessions usually use less battery than fast-paced 3D games, and several real money apps fit that description, while still offering cash prizes or gift card rewards. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 games that are generally lighter on your phone, while still giving you a chance to earn real rewards. The first app is Solitaire Cash. Since it's a classic card game with a simple interface, it usually puts less strain on your phone than action or racing games. Matches are short, and you can play whenever you have a few spare minutes. Second is Bingo Cash. The gameplay focuses on digital bingo cards instead of heavy graphics or large open worlds. That makes it a practical choice if you want quick sessions without constantly charging your phone afterward. The third recommendation is Blackout Bingo. Even though it's another bingo-based game, it keeps the gameplay simple and easy to follow. Many players prefer it because they can finish a match during a break instead of committing to a long gaming session. Fourth is Rewarded Play. This app doesn't offer just one game. Instead, it recommends a variety of mobile games that reward your playtime with points. If battery life matters to you, choose the lighter puzzle, card, or casual games inside the app, instead of graphics-intensive titles. The fifth app is Missed Play. Like Rewarded Play, Missed Play gives you access to different mobile games. The advantage is that you decide which games to install. Choosing casual games with simple visuals usually helps reduce battery usage while you continue earning rewards. Battery life also depends on more than the game itself. Screen brightness, background apps, mobile data, GPS and Bluetooth can all increase power consumption. Lowering your screen brightness, closing unused apps, and connecting to Wi-Fi when possible can help your battery last longer, regardless of which game you play. It's also smart to avoid long gaming sessions if your phone starts getting warm. Heat can reduce battery efficiency over time, so shorter sessions are often better for both your device and your overall experience. To recap, Solitaire Cash, Bingo Cash, Blackout Bingo, Rewarded Play, and Misplay are solid options if you're looking for games that generally don't require the processing power of high-end mobile titles. Pick one app, play for a few days, and pay attention to both your battery usage and your earning experience. That combination will tell you more than any app description can. If this video helped, leave a like, subscribe, and check out our other videos covering the best real money games available in 2026.